Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So nowadays all of us are quarantined and we are not heading out much unless it is very important. At least you should not. But we do have work from home, at least I do, and sometimes we do need to attend video calls over Skype or Zoom, and sometimes we also head out to get groceries. So in this video I thought of sharing with you what is my daily quarantine makeup routine that I've been following for the past few months. So this is how it looks like. Basically, it's, as you can see, it's a very simple makeup routine which is just to make myself look a little bit more presentable, a little bit better version of myself, that is all. So if you are interested to see how I achieve this makeup routine in less than 10 minutes on a daily basis using only affordable drugstore products, only 4 to 5 products, that is it, then please keep on watching.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what
So I've already cleaned my face with a face wash and I have used a little bit of moisturizer, and now I am ready to use my daily makeup. So usually on a daily basis I usually apply a BB cream and not a heavy foundation. So for BB cream I either use this Pond's White Beauty BB cream or the Sugar Goddess of Flawless BB cream. Now the good thing is that both of these BB creams have SPF 30, so you do not really have to apply an additional sunscreen, which is like a super savior situation for me because I hate applying sunscreens. Now I do not really use it all over my face. I try to focus this at least in the points which has a little bit of pigmentation, like under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth region, and then I just blend it with a brush, or you can use a beauty blender, or you can simply use your fingers. Don't forget to apply it to your neck as well. So I'm going to powder my face, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. So up next, I love applying blushes on a regular basis. So these are the two very natural blushes that I mostly use. This one is by LA Girl. This is Velvet Blush in Contour Stick. This is a cream blush and it's very natural. It looks very flawless and natural on the skin. And the second option is this Maybelline one. This is the Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral, and this one is also a very natural one. As you can see, both sides of my face look really natural right now. So up next I'll be doing my brows. I just use one of my dark brown eyeshadow shades. You can use anything that you have. I am using this particular shade from my Maybelline Nudes palette. And as you can see, it has already hit the pan because I use it on a very daily basis. Can you see the difference between this side and this side? This looks so much more presentable. On a daily basis, I will suggest you to use at least one eye product because it makes your eyes look more defined. So if kajal works for you, you can go for a kajal or liner, or you can go for just mascara and it is going to look really good. I like using liner on a daily basis, so I'm going to quickly draw a thin line above my eye. So we are almost done. Now the last thing is using a lipstick. So on a daily basis, I really like using a nude shade, but if you like using a darker shade, you can completely go for it. So the lipstick that I will suggest is this Maybelline New York Midtown Pink. I absolutely love this nude lip shade. I think it goes with every skin tone. So that's it for the makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.